Welcome to your complete guide on zero-based budgeting. This powerful financial method will transform how you manage your money by ensuring every single dollar you earn has a specific purpose. Unlike traditional budgeting, where you might have leftover money sitting around unassigned, zero-based budgeting means your income minus your expenses equals exactly zero. Every dollar gets a job, whether that's paying bills, building savings, or funding your goals. Zero-based budgeting is a budgeting method where every dollar of your income is assigned a specific purpose before the month begins. The core principle is simple: your income minus your expenses should equal zero. This doesn't mean you spend everything you earn. Instead, it means every dollar is intentionally allocated to categories like housing, food, savings, debt payments, or entertainment. Nothing is left unassigned or forgotten. Zero-based budgeting offers two major benefits that can revolutionize your financial life. First, it gives you complete control over your money. You'll know exactly where every dollar goes before you spend it, eliminating the mystery of where your paycheck disappeared. Second, it eliminates financial waste. No money sits idle in your checking account, getting spent mindlessly on impulse purchases. Every dollar has a purpose and a plan. Getting started with zero-based budgeting involves two fundamental steps. First, calculate your total monthly income. This includes your take-home pay from all sources after taxes and deductions. Be sure to use your actual take-home amount, not your gross salary. Second, list every single expense you have each month. Include fixed costs like rent and utilities, variable expenses like groceries and gas, and don't forget irregular expenses like annual insurance payments or quarterly subscriptions. Organize your expenses into three main categories. Needs include essential expenses you cannot avoid, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and basic transportation costs. Wants cover discretionary spending that improves your quality of life, like entertainment, dining out, hobbies, and shopping for non-essential items. Savings encompasses all forms of financial security and future planning, including your emergency fund, retirement contributions, debt payments, and money set aside for future goals like vacations or major purchases. Here's how zero-based budgeting works in practice. With a monthly income of $4,000, you might allocate $1,200 to rent and utilities, $600 to groceries and food, and $400 to transportation. Set aside $500 for your emergency fund, $600 for debt payments, $300 for entertainment, and $400 for miscellaneous expenses. When you add up all these allocations, they total exactly $4,000, leaving you with zero unassigned money. Two key strategies will ensure your success with zero-based budgeting. First, use digital tools to your advantage. Budgeting apps or spreadsheets help you track your allocations and monitor your actual spending in real time, making it easier to stay on track throughout the month. Second, review and adjust your budget monthly. Your first budget won't be perfect, and your spending patterns will change over time. Each month, analyze what worked, what didn't, and adjust your allocations based on actual spending and changing priorities. The best time to start zero-based budgeting is right now. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the beginning of next month. Take control of your financial future today by giving every dollar a purpose. Remember, with zero-based budgeting, every dollar has a job, and it's your responsibility to make sure each one is working toward your financial goals. Start small, be consistent, and watch as this simple but powerful method transforms your relationship with money.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.